Hey guys, Grant Pruitt, Intercoastal Mortgage. So another question that I had from a client was, what is your average loan processing time? So I don't know if they exactly knew what they were asking when they asked that question. So let me just sort of break it up into chunks and how it works. First, we have an initial application, right? That's where you do the online application or we do it over the phone. That time to process, okay, to come up with the initial pre-approval depends on how complicated your personal situation is. You may be self-employed. You may have 5 businesses with their own tax returns. You may just be a W-2 employee that has a W-2 and a pay stub, right? W-2 pay stub, very easy. We can get that processed and taken care of in, it probably would take an hour for us to go through that process as long as we have the documents and everything lines up. If you own a business and it's complicated and you've got all kinds of write-offs and deductions and those kinds of things, it's going to take a little bit longer to analyze that. So whether or not I need to get a second set of eyes on it to make sure that the underwriter agrees with my theory on how I calculated the income, it could take up to 24 to 48 hours. So that's your time frame in the beginning to get the loan pre-approved. Once you go under contract, we have all the documents. Essentially, you sign the application. Once that application gets submitted to processing, okay, processing can process that loan and get it into underwriting in 30 minutes to an hour. Okay, underwriting typically is going to be to underwrite a file, and underwriters might be in there reviewing that file depending on how difficult it is to the situation. Anywhere from an hour to underwrite to a couple hours to underwrite the loan. So from a processing standpoint, from once it goes into processing, into underwriting, out approved could be anywhere from 24 to 48 hours is typical at our company, which generally leaves us many, many days and weeks ahead of when this closing is scheduled to be able to get any conditions that we need and get you prepared for closing. So the processing and underwriting timeline is actually really, really quick. Hope that answers your questions. If there's anything else I can do for you, let me know.